Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back to class. Let's get to work and get this next week started. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. The month is April. What is the month? April. Today is Wednesday, April 15, 2020. What is today? April, Wednesday, 15, 2020. Good job. The weather is cloudy. It is cloudy outside. The temperature is 73 degrees. It is actually cool outside. It's not hot, it's not warm, it's actually getting a little cooler. Today our life skills is to learn how to tie our shoes. Here are a few steps that you can follow to help you and guide you to tying your shoes. Remember, be active. Go outside, play, run around, play soccer. Our social skills. What is your favorite food and why? Excuse me. My favorite food is a burger and fries. What is your favorite food? My favorite food, the reason why it's my favorite food is because I love French fries. I like to dip the French fries in the ketchup, put salt and pepper, eat a juicy burger. I think I'm going to eat that for lunch. What is your favorite food? Today's agenda, we are doing, like I had said, one content area a day. So today we're doing math. We are doing math, and then we're also doing story time, an exercise to stay active. So we are doing that. That is what is on our agenda today. If you have any questions, you have my email and my phone number. Let's get the day started and let's have fun. Good luck!